In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block all ads/pop-ups on Google Chrome while browsing. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu. Click on that to open Chrome's main options menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where Chrome lets you control privacy, security, and browsing behavior. On the left-hand side, you will see a navigation panel. In that panel, click Privacy and Security. Next, choose Site Settings. This area allows you to manage permissions that websites can request or use, such as notifications, camera access, redirects, and pop-ups. Once you are on the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find the option called Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on Pop-ups and Redirects to open that setting. Here you will see the control that manages whether websites are allowed to open pop-ups or automatically redirect you to other pages. To block them, select the option that says Do not allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Once this option is enabled, Chrome will begin blocking most pop-ups and redirects automatically while you browse. This can help prevent annoying interruptions and reduce the chance of being pushed to pages you did not intend to visit. That covers everything you need to know.